Fuji be making her girl look brand new. You guys, we can make this natural hair thing happen. Hey. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. My homegirl Gigi's Boutique, you need to follow her. I will put her YouTube name right here. Is going to be doing my hair, fixing up the girl's mane, taping the mane. So she starts by parting it in half with a little fancy little style on the front, just so that doesn't look plain and boring. So yeah, there's a straight line going down at the back. I know you can't see, but you have to trust me. And then she puts the right side in a puff. I didn't know my hair could puff up, guys. I think we're making some progress. So she goes in with the Eco Styler. She puts some around just to make sure the front is a little slicked up, because we're not stretching her hair in a bit. Okay, remember this is like heatless. So she's just putting a little gel in the front so that it can slick, and then she's going in with a brush. Yes, don't mind the edges, they look beat up, but that's how some things look before transformation. Then now she goes with a little Eco Style in the middle, just to also create a little clean slick effect. So you put it all the way down the line. I'm sorry you can't see. We'll have to build trust through this video, you guys, because a lot of stuff you may not see, but you have to trust me. This is great. Trust building, trust exercises. This is where we start from. Yeah, so she goes in with a brush. Just brush it up, you know, really well, guys. This is a very important part. So just keep brushing, keep brushing. Yeah. And then yeah. Now you guys, because I did not detangle my hair before she went in to do this style, she got a little leave-in conditioner. This is Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner. So she just went in with it and then used her hands, finger detangled, so that she didn't have trouble when parting while doing the Dutch braids. Apparently it's called Dutch braids. So yeah, so you just keep going in, finger detangled, so that your fingers can go through really easily, so that you don't have to actually brush it, because we're not wetting the hair. So this worked really well. So that's a hack, but don't tell anyone. Yes, so now she gets ready to do the braids. So she makes little lines across, about 4 of them, just so that the first ones are neat and easy. So you go from one end to the other. Yes, like that. Yep, that's great. So I think she did about 4 or 5 lines. Yeah. And then now she decides to start with the braiding. The braiding might not be as clear. Unfortunately, it wasn't. We didn't like think that people might not know how to braid. But if you'd like a video on braiding, guys, they're like 1,000,001 on YouTube University. So yeah, you're good. But I'm really sorry. Okay, so yeah, she goes in with the braiding and I was gonna talk you through her braiding, but I don't wanna like mess up with your attention, guys. So on this one, we just have to like keep our peace and our silence and just reflect on what's going on. Okay, I'm back. So you guys, as you can see on this part, she kind of has to pull it in like that. So you swoop it to make sure that it's neat and you're stretching the hair from the inside, because you need it to be very neat. The neatest part has to be the part that's like the hair, not the hair that's in the braid, but it's the hair that's on the scalp. I know all hair is on the scalp, but I think you know what I mean. So yeah, so She keeps going in. I promise you, on the other side the braiding is much clearer, but as you can see guys, it was coming together so well. This is such an easy go-to style, and you'll be able to see how she just, guys, it's like amazing. I was mind blown. So you get your bobby pins and then you kind of put them where you feel the hair isn't flat enough, and you have to hide them under the braid so that it's not peeking out, talking about hey. So yes, and then she fluffs up the braids by pulling it out a little, as you saw a few seconds ago, and then she added a little more pins. So it's at your discretion. If you feel there are more parts where you think you need to pin the hair in to make it neater, go ahead and do it. Now listen guys, this part, I love the little like side things that people do, so she just had to like do the little side hairs. Yeah. Next part, she went in with the leave-in. I'm a little late, I'm sorry. She went in with the leave-in, and then she put the leave-in, and now she's going in with the gel. It's so quick, I know. Let me speed up. Went in with the gel. She's going in with the gel, guys. Okay, so now she's putting a little more gel on the outer part. You have to trust me on that one. And then now she's brushing again. So you brush. Good. So starting with the braids. So this side, as you can see, you kind of just pick a little part. You have to be really careful, really precise, really neat, really slow. Take your time. Yes, so she's going in, picking a little more, and she's really pulling it from the center into the braid. Take note, guys. And then again, she really pulls it from the sides into the center, and again, yeah. So the front is key, you guys. It needs to be like really neat. Okay, so the thing with this style is the braids really have to swoop over to the sides of your head, like the ends of your head. That's what makes it a lot more cuter. So you have to make sure that you're pulling the hair from the center a lot more to the ends of your head. So as you can see, she's really on the end of my head. I know you can't really see, but you know what I mean. So yes, on the side like of the head. Yes, so my girl be going in with that braid. Now she's done. And then yes, so this is how the back looks, you guys. You know, really cool, pretty cool. And then the side hairs, these things are so important. Like they really make your hair just like look a lot more cuter. My brother says he doesn't understand what that's about. He calls them side bends, side beards, I don't know, but don't mind him, he's a guy, he doesn't know much. But they really look good. Now she's bobby pinning the two braids across from each other. You'll be able to see how she's doing it. So for now, again guys, trust. So she's going in with the last one, and then she bobby pins it in, and she's now going in with the shiny little sparkly accessories, and then you put them where you think you'd like your hair to pop a little more. And another secret is to put them where you think hair from the braid is sticking out a little. There you go, voila. Voila. So fetch. If you know where that's from, comment down below. And then yes, so she goes in with Echo Styler to get the little side hairs to like have a little twirl, and then she does it again on the other side, and it is done. Now what are we doing next? There you guys, you see, looks really cute. Okay, now we are doing Echo Styler, laying them edges. So she got in with Echo Styler, put a little bit, swooped them. I'm gonna be doing a little quick video on how to swoop those edges. I'm not the queen, but guys, we'll make this thing happen. Next side, swooping those edges, bringing them to submission. Yes girl. Okay, and done. She left me, guys. I couldn't handle myself, so I got a little thing going on. Yes. Ooh. I tried to dab. I think yeah. Got to be.
You guys, really got to be is the truth. People don't talk about got to be, but if you can find it, it lays the edges like all day long. It's really good. So she just put it over the Echo Styler and then yeah, brushed it a little just quickly on top because you've already laid them, so it's just to seal the laying. Go in with that headscarf, wrap it up, and bam.
Guys, won't you be making the girl look brand new? I don't know what to say. I don't know. Like, thank you. I just want to say thank you to, you know, my parents, because I wouldn't be where I am if it wasn't for them. I also want to say thank you to all the brands that have helped us get to where we are. Clinique, shout out to Clinique. And then my girl Gigi, you guys, these hands, like, work this magic, and I just want to say a big thank you. So you guys need to subscribe.
Yeah, girl. Subscribe.
You need to subscribe today, right now. Oh yeah, I really ish.